All right, here's what you need to know. We're going to go over this snow for Thursday into Friday, your first alert weather day, and give you some updates here as we've gotten some new model information in. First and foremost, there's going to be some impacts by Friday morning as the snow starts late Thursday in our northern valley counties and even here in the southern valley, as the combination of wind and snow, which we'll show you more about in a moment, will be under full bore as time we start our day. Now, where you see these deep blue shades here in the Devil's Lake Basin, we're already talking some places with 2 to 4 inches of snow. And where the deep blues are, well, we're already in that 3 to 6 inch category for the start your day time frame. Now, as you look into Fargo, yes, we'll have snow on the ground and a little bit of accumulation having started for that morning drive, and it will be windy. So that could impact some of you traveling. James River Valley, Cheyenne River Valley, we're seeing the same thing. Drive time home, more of the 4 to 8 potential area. Looks like that band is still on track for that Maddock and Devil's Lake Basin right through the portions of western Cass, Barnes County for you in places like, well, Valley City and on down in towards Gwinner and Lisbon. That could see the heavier bands of snow. As we continue to see the snow through the late night hours, way down to the south, it really could get heavy in some spots in the Sisseton Hills with upwards of a foot possible for a few down there. So this is going to be a pretty potent system. Rapid drop off in snowfall potential as we go to the east. Fargo, Moorhead 3-6, 3 to 6 plus in Fergus Falls and Grand Forks will kind of be on that line, but I'm thinking and expecting more in that 2 to 4 plus for the Grand Forks area. And again, a rapid drop off over here. If you're in Devil's Lake, you stand a good chance at seeing some healthy snowfall totals, but again, Cooperstown and all the way over here in that the New Rockford and Carrington areas too, maybe northern parts of Stutsman County. Here's what it looks like in map form as we get started Thursday night with the snow developing. And here's your drive time in the morning. Heavier snow and gusty winds from the east-southeast making its way through. It will be snowing in Lakes Country as well in the morning, and it will already be windy. So reduced visibility and open country. Then as we head through the afternoon, notice the deep blue shades kind of focusing right here through the majority of the morning hours. Here it stopped at noon. Check out these wind arrows, 40 to 50 miles per hour. And out here near Bismarck, the model's showing ridiculous wind speed potential, over 60 for some out in the western Dakotas and the Missouri River Valley. This thing continues to blow and snow all the way until we get to your drive time for the evening. Here it is at 5:15, and we still have snow. That evening commute is going to be ridiculous for the entire viewing area, with the exception of some in our northern and central portions of Minnesota. I think the winds and the snow amounts will be a little less significant if your travels on Friday take you there. 23 right now in Fargo. Moorhead, you have 21 degrees, south wind, 9 miles per hour. 41 Mitchell, South Dakota, 31 degrees as we look in on the Aberdeen area. Roseau basking in 27 degrees. Our average highs this time of year, highs are right around 15 to 18 degrees. Snow showers, northern Minnesota, the rest of us fairly quiet. Those this evening will exit to the south and east as we go towards morning. Patchy fog, clouds stick around, temperatures rising towards morning. We start in the mid-20s here in Fargo, low 20s elsewhere. North winds will cause temperatures to drop tomorrow, a day of transition. We continue that drop into your afternoon, and then late at night as we approach the 7 to 10 o'clock time frame, storm system starts making its way in. Here's a look at your planning forecast. But first, Frankie has something to say. Put your boots on. We got some snow coming, Frankie says. Thanks, Pam, for sharing that. Planning forecast, first alert weather day Friday. Cold Saturday. Another shot of snow on Sunday looks pretty small. And then we get cold as we go beyond Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday.
We had a caller from Lisbon call in. She's holding you personally accountable for all this cold weather and snow we've received.
I
She'd
did
like you to
see
change
Lisbon
that.
looking kind of like right in the bullseye. So it's western Cass too. Be ready.
Listen to Frankie.
Yes.
All right, thanks, Hutch. With tax season right around the corner, the IRS is stressing patience. We'll tell you why they say to expect significant delays this year after the break.